now. Hey everyone, Angelina here, and today we are going to be doing an iPhone 12 unboxing slash review slash setup, all that shenanigans. I'm so freaking excited. I actually ordered this from the Apple website literally nearly a month ago. Maybe like 3 weeks ago, I don't know, but it took a very long time. I know people who like ordered directly from their carrier and stuff got it pretty quick, but directly from the Apple site, ladies and gents. So got it in the gold color, 256 gigabytes. So I'm the type of person to hoard literally like their entire lives on their iPhones, so that's that. Also, if you did not notice, I had my hair dyed, and so it looks very greasy because I had it dyed literally 3 days ago. I'm trying to not wash it for 3 days, so today is the last day. But yeah, I'm just trying not to wash all the color off, so just ignore my greasy hair. Like, I know you can make french fries on it, but it's fine. I also already went ahead and ordered like this glass screen protector on Amazon. I cannot like use an iPhone without a screen protector. It just really bugs me. I don't know how people do it. Same thing with the phone case. I also need a phone case, so I got one on Casetify. I don't know how you say it, but I got one from there. Just get right into it. So I'll have like little timestamps or whatever to help you find what you're looking for. I have an iPhone 10, I think. I don't know. I used to be the type to like upgrade every year on my birthday or something, but I just didn't in the past, I think 2 years, right? I don't know. I really didn't find a need for it. Even now, not too much, but I did notice that my phone was literally acting up. I think it's because I drop her so much. Yes, so this is like my early birthday slash Christmas gift. Without any further ado, let's get right into it.
Yeah, get into it!
So, if you can see right there, I'm going to She is so pretty. This box is very thin. Let's see. This is literally the iPhone 10. This is the box. So as you can see, it practically only fits the iPhone. I believe there's not gonna be, oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Okay, I was really conflicted between the gold color and blue color, but I kind of thought gold was, I don't know, like blue's like super cool, but I feel like gold would look nicer with cases. It definitely looks more of like a pearl white color. I'm not sure if you're catching this. So as you can see there, that is the gold iPhone. Okay, and then now I'm gonna kind of lift that up. So there's like this little paper sheet on the front. Here is the cord. I don't think it came with a cube or anything. I believe they're trying to, I don't know what they're trying to do. At least it came with a charger, I guess. But it's a USB-C end over here, and then the regular iPhone charger. So that's that. And then here's this. So yeah, I'm gonna put the iPhone down for a bit to just explore this box. So it does indeed come with a charger, and then that's practically it. It doesn't come with your typical headphones or any extra gears. So I think what they were trying to do was try to save materials, save the environment. In this thing, it comes with your sticker, and then this, you get out the pin. I really don't want to get the sides dirty with my fingerprints, but I already have. We're gonna put the screen protector on, so yeah. So I'm just opening the screen protector. Why is this box so hard? This is literally just something I found on Amazon. So it comes with all of these little thingy-majigs. If y'all want the link for this, let me know. Basically, just wash your hands, use the included alcohol swab and stuff. And they even have this, thing. I don't know. I guess you're supposed to do that. Kind of helps you set up, I believe. I'm gonna take the So I put the screen protector on already. It looks pretty okay if I do say so myself. But yeah, super thin. But okay, look at the iPhone here. I already got my fingerprints on it, but you can kind of see the gold rims here. It's literally so beautiful. It's definitely not your typical gold iPhone color. It's more white-ish, and then the sides are absolutely gorgeous. So this is the case that I got. I think it's super cute. It's like strawberry prints or designs. So peel that off. There's that. So I'm going to compare the two iPhones. So this is the iPhone 10 and this is the iPhone 12. I personally do like rose gold a lot. If you can see, this is the color of the rose gold iPhone. It's very shiny, and then these are kind of the edges, so it's definitely more round edged. But yeah, it's definitely kind of wore down over the years, but that's that versus this. So let's see, you can kind of see a side-by-side compare. Oh my gosh, a bug. You pop that open. We are turning her on. I clean the edges really quick before I put it in the case. So I have the iPhone in the case. It's so freaking cute. Okay, so now as you can see, it says Hola. So we're gonna do English. United States, quick start to unlock to continue. Now I'm just going to set up Face ID, so position your face. Yeah. Like, am I doing this right? Now we're gonna transfer my data from my other phone, so it says it's gonna take approximately an hour and 45 minutes. I guess we are going to wait for that. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Okay, so those were the 5 phrases that they have you say for Siri. And then you can press and hold the side button anytime to talk to her. I'm not sharing audio recordings. Okay, so now we are preparing to transfer, so like transferred a little bit of it and then it asked me to log into my Apple ID, and now it's transferring all of the data. So I believe this part is going to take even longer, so I shall check back in with you guys.
2 hours later.
Hello everyone, so now an update, literally like 2 hours later. My phone has finally finished transferring, so it is already dark outside, unfortunately. So as you can see, I finished setting it up. Here is my, it doesn't do that thing anymore. Oh yes it does. So my lock screen is one of those motion thingy-majigs. But anyways, here's my home screen. I can definitely do like an updated what's on my iPhone if you guys want. Unfortunately, all my apps are loading right now. As you can see, it's kind of like all mixed up. I used to have them color-coded. On my other phone, I had them color-coded and I had like colored widgets on each page according to the color of the apps on that page. I guess transferring it kind of messed it up, so. But anyways, at least my home screen stayed the same. All my other widgets on my other pages disappeared, but this is my home screen. I just have a calendar, weather, and then I have all of these apps. I only have these like shortcut widgets for the first page. Everything else is the same. So I will definitely make an updated what's on my iPhone if you guys want, once I get that started again. But other than that, the camera looks amazing. But once I get the chance, I'm gonna have comparison photos, so like the iPhone 12 versus the iPhone 10, so yeah, you guys can see the difference in quality. So yeah, basically that is it for my unboxing. I have the case here. I'm not too sure on what other accessories I should get. I don't know, you're like low-key broke after this. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe. I've been trying to post videos more often, so that's that. But yeah, bye guys, have a good day.